Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to cutepolish. In today's nail art tutorial, April will be showing you how she removes her acrylic nails. This was highly requested on her last video in which she demonstrated how she applies her acrylic nails. So if you guys enjoy these types of videos, please give this one a big thumbs up.
Hi guys, it's April. Let's get started. The time has come for me to remove my acrylic nails from the last video I did here on cutepolish. Yes, these are exact same nails, I just slightly changed the shape of them and added gel polish and simple nail art on top. Today I'll show you how to remove them without a drill. First, begin by removing any crystals or embellishments with old manicure nippers. Next, remove the excess length of the nail extension by using cutters. Now we're going to rough up the surface of the gel polish by using the hard side of nail buffer. This step will help the acetone soak off the gel polish faster. Pour 100% acetone into a tray or metal bowl. Then place your nails into it for 5 minutes. Take your nails out and use metal pusher to clean the gel polish from the cuticle to the edge. Be careful while doing this. You don't want to damage your natural nails. Now we're going to put the nails back to acetone for another 5 minutes to soak off some of the acrylic. As you can see, it became soft and loose, so it's not hard to do. Repeat this same process several times until the acrylic has completely soaked off. You don't want to rush the process and end up ripping the acrylic off your nails. That will damage your natural nails. Once the acrylic is completely soaked off, you can use a buffer to remove any small pieces of acrylic left over on the natural nail. You can also file the edges of your nails if needed. Now it's time for some rehydration. Apply cuticle oil and buff it into your nail bed using the soft side of a buffer. Then apply cuticle oil on your cuticles and massage it in. It's important to moisturize your nails and skin after using acetone because it's very drying. And there we go, beautiful healthy nails. If you follow these steps, you will be able to remove acrylic from your nails without a drill and without damaging your natural nails. If you want to, you can now apply clear or colored polish on top. Click these boxes for more awesome videos here on cutepolish. Subscribe to cutepolish by clicking this circle. And be sure to check out my personal nail channel by clicking this circle right here.